how to make Uber Eats bicycle account in Australia. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is go to your preferred browser and just search on how to do so in Uber. So search for uber.com and then how to get started with signing up via bicycle. So if you're from Australia, there should be an option over here to use that state. But anyways, for getting started, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to sign up to deliver by bicycle. So to do that, you're gonna have to apply for a background check and a right to work check. So only complete this application if you have just signed up, and Uber will use your background check to assess suitability in meeting the requirements to register an Uber driver account. So to complete the background check and right to work check application, you can press on the sign in option provided right below. Next is to take the bicycle safety test. So to complete the bicycle safety test for your state, you can choose the one that prefers you the most, which is Australia. Then once that's done, you can complete your profile. So you'll need to be at least 18 years old, and they will help you guide through the steps. So keep an eye on your inbox. So it should be over here for more information on how to get started, which is the delivery basics. Once you have completed your profile, you can have to look at some food safety modules. So access information to help you practice safe food delivery by completing the food safety education modules right below there as well. So just press on the access the modules over here and you should be able to see the food safety modules as well. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.